Hey guys, it's Michelle. Now, I know that you guys have seen me do this color on her before, but not from coming from pink. So we are going completely to the other side of the color wheel today. So we are going to do the magic of color shifting. So stay tuned to see how I turn this pink, beautiful hair into a beautiful shade of blue and green. So it's coming up what we're going to do here, guys. Sorry, I didn't edit this fast enough. Here we go. This is what we're going to do today. So we're going to do some magic of color shifting on the color wheel today. So stay tuned, guys. Hey guys, welcome to Hair Toots Light, raw, real, and diverse hair education. I help hairstylists become better hairstylists. Hey guys, so this is what I use when I do big roots. So I use these highlighting strips and you know this thing from like art class, and I take the big cutter thing and I cut them about 2 inches wide, and I just hack them up. So I go from the long end and I just measure 2 inches. I guess I'm figuring out how to do this here easiest, and I just cut them like this. I take probably about 20 of them in a stack at a time. I get the extra long ones because, like, why not? Why buy the short ones? They're kind of hard to find. I get these at Salon Centric if you have one of those near you. They're papers. I don't like perm papers because they get gooey. I don't like cotton because it gets wet. I don't like gooey boogery shit in my hands. So these stay nice and they don't get gross and gooey. So we are going to use these papers in between. You're going to see how I'm going to use them. And we are going to use Big 9, and we are going to use striptease on our ends. So guys, I am just going to go ahead and start applying this 1/4 of an inch away from the root. And I kind of like became a brush snob all of a sudden, and I like need all these brushes. So right now I'm doing a small section, so I'm going to use a small brush. So I'm applying it 1/4 of an inch away from the scalp. Now I'm going to take this little paper long ways, and I'm going to lay it right there so it doesn't like smush down on the other side. And I'm going to lay this other paper. Now I'm going to go a little bit more into detail here in a second about how I am going to lay this lightener on. I think it's coming right here, guys. Sorry, I'm the slappiest editor ever. Okay. Coming close. So when I take this section, I'm going to paint it on the top side, but I'm going to do it with saturation all the way up to the line of demarcation. And then I'm going to flip it and walk it up. And then I'm going to come in, and the heaviest saturation is going to go on zone 2, and then the lightest saturation is going to go on zone 1. And then I'm going to place a 3-inch square that I cut 1/4 of an inch away from the scalp. So this has open to breathe, and that this is gonna incubate, and then this has more air and won't cook as much. Cool. Okay guys, I hope that makes sense. So again, I'm sorry if like I'm like the shittiest editor ever, but like I do the best I can, guys. I'd rather focus on hair, and I'm just kind of giving you like this really raw like video. And so I hope you guys are at least getting some value out of my content here. Also, we have a class coming up next Sunday, October 8th at 10 a.m. Central, Cutz and Coffee. I'm so excited about it. Guys, my friend made me this cute little thing. I want to see if it trips you out too, because it trips me out. What's going on with that? All right, cool. So I am teaching Cutz and Coffee. It's a razor cutting class, and it's $65, guys. I have to start charging for some of my education, and I hope that you would support me in doing this. I give out so much free education here and on the Instagram and on the TikTok and just life in general, that I would hope that you would be able to support me back and paying for a little education here. And we also have a little bit of surprise for the people that pay for this class before Monday. That you're going to get a free ticket to the next one. So guys, the links are in my description, so go ahead and check those out. Okay guys, I always start in the back because if I need to stop and rinse it, I'm going to stop and rinse and then let the front process, which happens a lot because these take me like good 45 minutes and an hour to apply. So I am doing this with saturation. Now I'm coming in with the striptease on the ends to pull out some of this purpley pink color on her ends. And so I'm just hitting any spots that I missed with the 20 volume and the Big 9, and then putting the striptease on. We rinse, we stop oxidation with Malibu C Deox, and then we give her Olaplex number 2, and you can see what the striptease did. As you can see, we didn't get a lot of footage of me applying that, but you guys get the hint. We applied the striptease to the ends, okay, and we pulled it through. Sometimes we get really busy in the salon, and I don't get all the footage. Don't ask me why she's over here on her face, but she is. We are applying it to her base. We are using Oligo Funk Hue. I really like that color. It goes on really nice. Maybe she's just getting a little B-roll of me. I don't know what the hell Allison's doing over here. We always apply Olaplex into everything that we do. We apply Olaplex number 1 into our lightener, Olaplex number 1 into our direct dyes as well. As you can see, I'm sitting, and I started sitting a lot lately because my body hurts. As you guys know, I had back surgery in April. I'm only in the salon 1 day a week now. And then I'm doing my education as well. Lifestylist coaching as well as launching. So we're doing Cutz and coffee 1 day a week or 1 day a month. And then we're doing lifestylist coaching, which is a one-on-one coaching course that I am doing with you. I walk you through life to make you just awesome, guys. I want you guys to excel. I want you to make money. I want you to do all the things to whatever your goal is in life. I want to help you reach it. So if you guys want to book a one-on-one call with me as well, that you can do that with the link in the bio. And guys, don't forget that if you guys leave comments and ask me questions about the hair that I'm doing, and that helps build engagement if you like and share these videos. Like, I'm just waiting for this all to take off. And you guys know that the show's going to be launching soon as well, Hairstyle TV, and you guys know that I'm on that. And that's going to be airing soon in November, and I can't wait. You guys see what I just did there too? Back to the hair, by the way. So I just dropped that dark V down the middle just to really work that through. And as you can see, I take V's up the back of the head and I'm working it. Now I'm going to flip the hair up and I'm going to work the other side of the hair just to make sure I didn't miss any of the hairs underneath. I'm just working those through with my fingers. Now we're working the other side of the head. Now I'm always going to put a little foil because I'm notorious for just slapping that vivid hair like right in their ear. Now I took a big huge section and I split it in two and then worked the color on both sides on the inside of the hair. Now I'm working it up around the face and just feathering it in. Now guys, this is going to stain the scalp. Yeah. You know, it's blue, but she knows it. And Michelle is a gold star at taking care of her color. She goes like 10 weeks in between her color, which is amazing. So, you know, the better you take care of it, the longer it'll go and the less you wash it, because every time you wash it, it fades. You know, it's a direct dye, so it directly goes in and directly comes out, and every time you wash it, it fades. So she is really a gold star. So as you can see on the top, I'm taking diagonal back sections. I'm going to do that all the way through the top of the head. It's just going to leave it like this linear back, and it's just going to give you that natural teardrop. So here was her before. Guys, and here's her after. Wow, guys, you can't even tell that her hair was pink and purple before. It looks absolutely amazing. Guys, if you like and enjoy my content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget that about Cutz and coffee. The link is in the bio. Don't forget Lifestylist Coaching is launching. If you want a one-on-one call with me, don't forget to book it in the link. And if you like this video, don't forget to watch this one right here. And guys, thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit that ding dong. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you. Bye.